guys, welcome back again. Welcome back to our social media platform. In today's video, we are here for a battery maintenance for our clients. We have installed this system. It's over a year now, so you call us for battery maintenance. So we are here to do the maintenance. So the system, we are using the system to power the house now. Can you see? So let's go. Show you the system. This is the system. So we are here for maintenance today. So and I will show you how you can maintain your battery so that the battery will not get damaged easily. The maintenance started now. Before anything, if you want to do any maintenance on your system, first of all, shut down the system. After shutting down the system, let it take like 2 or 3 minutes before you start any maintenance. So don't forget that before any maintenance in your solar inverter, anything you want to do maintenance on, make sure your system is turned off. You get me? Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and don't forget to follow us on our social media platform. Thank you. The reason why I'm transferring the distilled water from the big bottle to the small bottle is that I'm the only one on site on that day, so and I don't want to block the camera view, so I need to find a small bottle. I will transfer it from the big bottle to the small bottle, and I will top up the battery. So that's how I do for the others. So always try to check your battery level anytime you are topping up your battery. Always try to check it. So when it reaches to that green side, you stop it. That means that the water level is normal. It's already get to where it's supposed to be. If you do not check it like that, or you do not do your battery maintenance like this, if you try and open that gauge side and you are putting your distilled water from that place, you will not know where the battery water is okay. So that means that you are going to put excess of distilled water inside your battery if you use that gauge side. But if you use this place that is made for maintenance, you will get it right. So we are done with carrying out our maintenance of the battery. We have revealed everything, so we are now on a safer side now. And once again, let me show you what this system is powering. This system is a 2.5 kVA system. Can you check it out? So this is around to 6, and we are still generating 2.3 amps from the panel and 39 volts. So that's what we are generating from the panel. Although our battery is fully charged at this time. So the system is powering this whole building. It's powering 2 buildings. This is the building. So it's powering this building. This is the first building, and this is the second one. This is the second building. So this system is powering these 2 buildings, and this is our panel up here. We have our 600 watts 3 pieces here. So this is what we are powering. So they are using this system to pump their water. Yes, this is it. They are using it to pump their water, and this is their reservoir. This is the reservoir. It's a very big one. We have the ability to pump this tank full in less than 45 minutes.
Let's ask the woman in charge if they are enjoying the system and what can they say about the system. So guys, this is the woman in charge of this system. I just want to intervene you. We'll be speaking in Yoruba. Just permit me for that.
Nǹkan tí mo lè sọ nípa rẹ̀ ni pé sólà yìí ó jẹ́ sólà tó dáa, tó wà òkè. Even a fi ń pọ́ǹpù omi, so kò sí nǹkan nínú ilé ta lò ó fún tí ò gbé. Mo fi ń blend ata, mò ń lò fún blending kini machine, so kò sí nǹkan tí a lò ó fún tí ò ṣe, kò dẹ̀ dá wa láàmú. So ó jẹ́ sólà tó wà òkè, tó dáa, tíyàn lè lò, tó fìyàn lọ́kàn balẹ̀.
Okay. So guys, you can see, what are you still waiting for? Go solar now. Go solar. Go solar if you want to enjoy life.